We were at Walmart today and they have all kinds of stuff stocked on the shelf and some clearance deals and everything. So I picked up a Pokeball. Let's see if we can get lucky and if it still has the good lineup of packs. So it does. Fusion Strike, Brilliant Stars, and Evolving Skies. Start with Fusion first. Barracuda, Snubbull, Geodude, Sizzlepede, Klefki, Reverse Geodude, and an Arachnid. Got nothing there. Brilliant Stars.